Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're gonna draw Dr. Myu. Just like on the TV show, Dr. Myu is a tuple scientist. And he was the one responsible for he's the one, basically, this guy is General Raldo's master. And he was the one responsible for the creation of the ultimate tuple warrior. You already know his name. Well, actually, the ultimate tuple warrior, that was actually known as the evolutionary superior tuple, which we call baby. I'm really surprised that this guy had his own appearance on Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Let's get started. As you notice, the doctor wears a helmet and has rabbit-like ears. Here's his fingers. Here's his shoulder pads. Thank you. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. Now we draw the back of his hair. There we go. And finished. There he is. That was fast. That's how you draw Dr. Myu, the creator of the evolutionary superior tuffle. And yes, I love this guy. If you want to find out more on how to draw characters from Dragon Ball Z Kai, Dragon Ball Super, and Super Dragon Ball Heroes, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. And you can also check out the playlist on the How to Draw Dragon Ball playlist. That's how you draw Dr. Myu. Please like your blog and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which one of these characters you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. And, well, good night. Here we go.